Decolorizer used in gram staining. Options are A. Alcohol, B. Iodine, C. Saffronal, and D is methylene blue. Answer is option A. Alcohol. Gram staining is a technique used to identify both gram-negative and positive bacteria. First, we will be staining the smear with the crystal violet or methylene violet. Then cells will be getting a violet color. After that, we will decolorize with alcohol. After decolorizing, gram positive will be still in purple color, but gram negative bacteria will lose the color. Again, it will be counter stained with the saffron. So in this case, three things we have to remember. First is decolorized used is alcohol, and modern used is iodine. And first staining we are using crystal violet or methylene violet, and counter stain is saffron. Second question, decolorizer used for flagella staining. Options are A. Copper sulfate, B. Tannic acid, C. Water, and D is none of the above. Answer is option C. Water. In flagella staining, decolorized is water. Third question, mesosomes are more frequent in. Options are A. Gram-negative bacteria, B. Gram-positive bacteria, C. Both, and D is none. Answer is option B. Gram-positive bacteria. Mesosomes are more frequent in gram-positive bacteria than gram-negative bacteria. Fourth question, which of the following is most heat-resistant microorganism? Options are A. Bacillus styrothermophilus, B. Clostridium botulinum, C. E. coli, and D is Aspergillus flavus. Answer is option A. Bacillus styrothermophilus. This is the most heat-resistant microorganism exist, and this is also called as biological monitor of autoclave. If we are doing autoclave, to check the efficiency of autoclave, we will check the presence of Bacillus styrothermophilus. Fifth question, color change in Resorcerin dye reduction test. Options are A. Green to red, B. Blue to pink, C. Blue to colorless, yellow to pale yellow. Answer is option B. Blue to pink color. Resorcerin is a platform test or basic test used to check the acidity of the milk normally. Sixth question, coconut extract agar used to detect. Options are A. Fusarium species, B. Aflatoxin, C. Aspergillus, and D. none. Answer is option B. Aflatoxin. Coconut extract agar is used to detect presence of aflatoxin. Antibiotic used in beekeeping. Options are A. Streptomycin, B. Neomycin, C. Lysosome, and D is both A and B. Answer is option B. Both A and B. Streptomycin and neomycin is used as antibiotic in beekeeping. Ninth question, bacterial soft rot caused by. Options are A. Sclerotina sclerotium, B. Alternaria, C. Cladosporium, D. Erwinia carotivora. Answer is option D. Erwinia carotivora. Bacterial soft rot is caused by Erwinia carotivora. Which of the following is a lab fermented product? Options are A. Kefir, B. Yogurt, C. Sauerkraut, and D is all. Answer is option D. All of the above. Kefir is a self-carbonated beverage, and yogurt, we know the organism we should remember, Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus bulgaricus, and sauerkraut is a fermented cabbage product. 12th question, compound having flavor similar to banana. Options are A. Ethyl butyrate, B. Diacetate, C. Isoamyl acetate, D is methyl anthranilate. Answer is option C. Isoamyl acetate. Banana flavor is isoamyl acetate, ethyl butyrate will give pineapple flavor, and methyl anthranilate will give grape flavor. Cholesterol has lower content of dash than normal bovine milk. Options are A. Protein, B. Minerals, C. Vitamins, and D is lactose. Answer is option D. Lactose. Colostrum containing high protein and ash. It is a reddish yellow color and globulin content is 12 to 13%. It is the first secretion after carving. That is what we call the colostrum. 14th question. Which of the maturing agent is no longer used in wheat flour maturation? Options are A. Potassium bromate, B. Ascorbic acid, C. Azodicarbonamide, D. All of the above. Answer is potassium bromate. Maturing agent is used to convert sulfhydryl bond present in the wheat flour to disulfide bond. This disulfide bond gives more strength to the wheat flour. 15th question. 1 cup of coffee has caffeine content of. Options are A. 75 mg, B. 95 mg, C. 55 mg, and D is 45 mg. Answer is option B. 95 mg. 1 cup of coffee containing 95 mg of caffeine. 16th question. Semolina obtained from. Options are A. Triticum compactum, B. Triticum aestivum, C. Triticum durum, and D is none of the above. Answer is option C. Triticum durum. Semolina obtained from Triticum durum. And Triticum compactum is the soft wheat used for production of cake and biscuit. And Triticum aestivum is hard wheat used for the production of bread. A clear drinking having 30% TSS. TSS means total soluble solids. Options are A. Cordials, B. Nectar, C. Juice, and D. Squash. Answer is option A. Cordials. And I will tell rest of the options TSS also. Nectar containing 15 degree and juice, fruit juice is again 15 and squash containing 45. 18th question. Elasticity of the dough is due to. Options are A. Gliadin, B. Globulin, C. Albumin, and D is glutenin. Answer is option D. Glutenin. Elasticity is due to glutenin and extensibility is due to gliadin. 19th question. The grain size can be enlarged by. Options are A. Auxins, B. Fumaric acid, C. Gibberellic acid, and D is all. Answer is option C. Gibberellic acid. Grain size can be enlarged by using gibberellic acid. 20th question. The pungency of chili is due to. Options are A. Capsaicin, B. Capsaicin, C. Capsaicin, and D is capsaicina. Answer is option B. Capsaicin. Capsaicin is the pungency factor of the chili and color is due to the carotenoid pigments. 21st question. CCFA stands for. Options are A. Codex Committee on Food Additives, B. Codex Committee on Food Adulterant, C. Codex Committee on Fruit Additives, and D is Codex Committee on Fats Additives. Answer is option A. Codex Committee on Food Additives. 22nd question. Which organization was created to fight animal disease at global level? Options are A. IAEA, B. OIE, C. ISO, and D is FAO. Answer is option B. OIE, World Organization for Animal Health. This is the organization was created to fight animal disease at global level. 23rd question. Cartier disease for cardamom is caused by. Options are A. Protozoa, B. Bacteria, C. Fungus, and D is virus. Answer is option D. Virus. Cartier disease in cardamom is due to virus. 24th question. Which of the following is a systematic fungicide? Options are A. Carbendazole, B. Mancozeb, and C. Zinab, and D. Edifenfos. Answer is option A, carbendazole. It is a systematic fungicide. 25th question. Indian Institute of Pulse Research is located at. Options are A, Hyderabad, B, Lucknow, C, Kanpur, and D is Bangalore. Answer is option C, Kanpur. Pulse Research Institute is located at Kanpur.